Hi everyone, this is Mr. Hansen over here. Due to the good feedback from the previous video on directional video of our Clementi, we actually are going to make you another video to show you the route of how to actually go to our Novena Centre itself, which could be quite challenging at some time to find it. Now, let's go. Okay, so we are now at our Novena MRT Station and we are heading towards our Novena Centre. Right, when you come out from the MRT station, you will have to come out from the gantry itself. You have to turn towards the right side. Okay, so you will be able to see and head towards exit B. Right. So as you can see here, we are going towards exit B. You will probably see the signage here, right? Okay, so you probably will see this exit B. After you see the signage here, you'll head towards the exit B. Now, currently the underpass is having some construction or renovation itself, right? So we are actually heading towards the escalator. Okay, as you see the escalator, we are heading towards the escalator itself. Okay, when you actually come out from an escalator, you will actually cross the zebra crossing. Okay, do watch out for the cars while you're crossing, right? And then we turn to our right side, okay, to cross the road. Okay, there's a traffic light here, okay, as you can see. Okay, you can probably see this Novena sign for the MRT station. And over here, we're going to cross this road here, and then we are going to turn to our left, turn to the left side. Okay, and cross the road, and you can see actually to this side here is the Goldhill Plaza, is where our Novena Centre is. Okay, it's actually a very short walk. Okay, you will turn to this side. Okay, and when you this traffic light on the right side will be your Goldhill Plaza. Okay, it's crossing the road, and actually you will see the signage here that this way is towards the Goldhill Plaza, and we'll go here. Continue to walk along the site itself, right? Okay. Okay, we are going to turn towards our right side, okay, and cross the road. Here, this small passageway. Now over here, right, it's actually our Goldhill Plaza already. You look up to this building itself. We're going to enter the, here is also the car park, as you can see, right? So if you are driving, you can actually park here, right, and then head towards this side. You will actually see this Monster Hub, and beside it is a HP Hair Professor, right? So we are heading here. Okay, and here is where you can actually park here, right, if you are driving. And we are going to walk through this pathway. You'll probably see this shop called the Supercut. You can have a nice haircut while waiting for your child. Okay, and then we're going to turn towards the right side after you saw the Supercut, and straight towards here. Okay, and over here, right, you probably will see some signage here, right? If you continue to walk straight, okay, and here's our destination. Okay, you probably will see over here, and the signage itself, right? We are at the Heuristics Science, right? And over here you can see the location itself, our Goldhill Centre, and this is the address at 15195A. Okay, we are going to walk up the stairs. Okay, right, and here we are at our destination at Novena Heuristics and Heuristics Science. Right, do remember when you reach here, scan the QR code, right, and to check in and to check out when you are at here. And yes, we are at our destination. Hi everyone, thank you for watching our directional video to Novena Centres. I hope this video is going to help you to find your directions towards our centre here, right? Do remember to click like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.